Today on Grow with Science, we've got a 12-week tomato and greenhouse update. And here they are, look at plant number one now. He's just getting the tomato food, and the tomatoes are absolutely amazing on it. They've gone red, they're ripe, and they're ready to be taken home, and I can't wait. They're absolutely amazing. If you remember plant two in the middle, it was just getting the plain water, and it's barely got any ripe tomatoes on it, so it's taking much longer for the tomatoes to ripen on it. And then plant three there on the right, loads of ripe tomatoes again on the all-purpose plant food, so it's really good to see how these have turned out. I'm just going to harvest these off now. I'm going to take them home. I'm going to keep them all separate so that I can weigh the tomatoes for each plant, and then we can compare the results at the end and see what the total weight is for the tomatoes on each plant. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to get the results at the end, just to see which plant food does the best and which plant food gives us the biggest weight of tomatoes. And look at those now. I've taken all the right ones off, but they are absolutely massive, and there's still tomatoes on them, and I'm still getting flowers at the top, so these are going to be going for quite a while yet. Here's the beef tomatoes, and look at these. These are ready to go as well. Absolutely massive. I'm really happy with these, and I can't wait to get them home. And then we've got the bush tomato plant next to it, which is like the patio plant variety. And look at these as well. Absolutely covered in little red tomatoes. Absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to get them off. And here's the cucumbers. My guinea pigs absolutely love these. I'm not that fussed on cucumbers myself, that's why I don't grow so many. And yeah, look at these. I've probably got like 4 on this plant still. I've got them growing up at the top, got new flowers, and they're just not stopping. So I'm really pleased with these, and I'm sure the guinea pigs are as well. And then here's this courgette that I'm growing. It's just to spare space in the grow bag. I've got loads outside, but thought I'd let this grow and see how big it goes. And then here's the strawberries, absolutely amazing. These have been flowering absolutely loads, and I've been getting strawberries off them every single day, and they taste amazing, so I'm really happy with this. And next year I am definitely going to be doing loads more of these because they're absolutely brilliant. If you've seen my video how to grow pumpkins, you'll have seen these already when they were going in, but they're looking absolutely amazing already, and we're only in August, so I mean, look at the size of these already. And they're just sort of coming along and coming out of nowhere at the moment. So there's another one, got another big one over there, and then just got the mini ones over here as well. They're absolutely tiny. You can see like the size of them. They're going to be really cool, so keep watching and do some more updates on these in future. Just over on this side, I haven't done any videos on these really this year, but these are my corn plants as well. These have been doing really quite well recently. They've all flowered now, blasting out loads of pollen everywhere, and then hopefully we're going to have plenty of ears of corn when these are done. I know there's a fat squirrel around here that has a bit of a taste for them, so I'm going to have to keep an eye on them. And there we go, look at this for a harvest. So we've got all the onions. These are the ones off the table, and the ones we had hung up at the back, they've dried amazingly. And then look at all these tomatoes. We've got so many different varieties, and they're all absolutely amazing. And I've got 2 cucumbers that the guinea pigs are going to love. So I'm really pleased with how this has turned out today. So that's it for today, and I can't believe it's been 12 weeks already since we first put those tomato plants in. And make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, so that you get the next update and you see the results at the end, and we see how much of a difference those plant foods have made to each plant. Don't forget to check the link in the description to the Grow with Science Seed Club. This month I'm sending out winter density lettuces that are going in October, so get them now. Join me in growing some amazing veg, and I'll see you next time.